5 this morning, and all new this morning, Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is being called out by some of his own workers. 1,000 current and former Health and Human Services employees are sending a formal request today asking him to step down. 11 to Live Sefenech Henok is on this story live this morning from CDC headquarters. And Seth, we know this isn't the first letter sent to the secretary.
That's right, Jonathan. And these employees say that they're sending this letter today to Secretary Kennedy after he never responded to the first letter they sent back on August the 25th. Now, in the original letter, employees requested Kennedy to stop spreading disinformation. They also asked him to protect public health workforce, including members of HHS and the CDC, following that deadly shooting that happened on August the 8th here at the CDC headquarters. The new letter comes a day after former CDC employees and directors addressed state lawmakers at the Georgia State Capitol Tuesday, sharing they are troubled by current public health policy, CDC leadership, and also the direction RFK Jr. is moving the agency.
I feel that they can make it through, but I can't tell right now, given all the cuts to staffing, the cuts to resources, and the undercutting of science.
What I was not ready for was to have decisions made not based on data and science.
And in that letter that was sent to Kennedy this morning, there was a message at the very end just saying that of those that signed this letter, there were even more HHS employees. The ones that signed this letter say that because others were fearing retaliation and threats to their personal safety, they did not sign the letter. Jonathan.
All right, Steph, we've been hearing from a lot of workers for several weeks now. Some of them actually feel that the CDC was targeted by the gunman last month because of leadership that they're calling people turning science basically into politics. Did the letter address any of those concerns?
So in this letter, the healthcare workers did say that they want to make it clear that the Health and Human Services workforce is nonpartisan and that they are only implementing science-based policies that have been developed by both Republican and also Democratic administrations. So both sides here, Jonathan.
All right. Well, as you said, RFK did not respond to the first letter. We'll see if he does to this one. We'll check back with you later on. Thank you so much, Seth. Well, meantime, doctors and patients will soon have easier access to real-time prescription drug pricing and coverage details. The new HHS rule, set to launch on October 1st, allows providers to electronically submit prior authorization requests and compare out-of-pocket drug costs. In a major move for healthcare reform, it aims to cut paperwork, also to accelerate care decisions and make prescription medications more affordable for millions across the country.